Students, yesterday we have studied some formulas of using in conversion of unit from one system to another. These were the formulas. Clear? I have given the notes for these. Now today we are going to solve some numericals based on these questions. I am taking some numericals from book. First example numerical is convert 1 Newton to dyne. Clear? So how we will solve it? First see that Newton is the unit of force in SI system, whereas dyne is unit of force in CGS system. And I have given the table of dimensional formulas. Hope you have all has studied that. The dimensional formula of force is mLT minus 2. Now we will compare this formula with this formula used. Now the value of A here is 1, the value of V is 1 and value of C is minus 2. So we will write it as dimensional formula of forces mLT minus 2. Clear? Now value of A is 1, value of B is 1 and value of C is minus 2. Clear? Now in SI system, M1 is equal to, we take in SI system unit of mass 1 kg. L1 is equal to 1 meter, T1 1 second and N1 is equal to 1 Newton. Clear? N is the numerical value of the system in SI system of unit. Now in CGS system, CGS system, the unit of mass is gram, unit of length is centimeter and unit of time is second, and the numerical value in CGS system we have to find. Clear? Now let's solve this numerical. We will use the formula we have studied. N2 is equal to N1 M1 by M2 power A, L1 by L2 power B and T1 by T2 power C. Clear? Now we will use all the values one by one in it. N1 is 1, M1 is 1 kg, M2 is 1 gram and A is 1. We have used A1. L1 is equal to 1 meter and in the second one L2 is equal to 1 centimeter and its power is also 1. Third is T1 is 1 second and T2 is also 1 second with power minus 2. Clear, students? Now further solve it. We know 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams, so we will convert it into gram. So it will become 1000 gram by 1 gram, 100 centimeter by 1 centimeter, and this got cancelled and anything raised to power 1 is equal to 1. So it will become minus 2. Now next step is it will become 1 10 raised to power 3 and 10 raised to power 2, that is equal to 10 raised to power 5. Clear? So value of N2 is equal to 10 raised to power 5 and we can say 1 Newton is equal to 10 raised to power 5 Dye. Clear? So this is the process to convert one system of unit into another. Now the second numerical we will solve, that is convert 10 arg into joule. So how we will solve it? We know the arg is the unit of work in CGS system and joule in SI system. First of all, we will see dimensional formula of work, that is M L2 T minus 2. Value of A is equal to 1 and value of B is 2 and value of C is equal to minus 2. Clear? Now in CGS system, we take mass in grams, length in centimeter, time in seconds. Numerical value is given here 10 arg. Clear? Now we have to convert it into SI system. In SI system, mass M2 we take 1 kg, length 1 meter, time 1 second, and N2 that we have to find. Now put all the values again in the same formula we have used in numerical 1. So we will use N2 is equal to N1 M1 by M2 power A, L1 by L2 power B, and T1 by T2 power C. Clear? Now use all the values one by one. First, the value of N1 is 10, value of M1 is 1 gram and value of M2 is 1 kg. Value of A is 1. Now L1 is 1 centimeter, 1 meter with power 2 and 1 second by 1 second power minus 2. Now solve it. It is equal to 10, 1 gram, 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram, we know, with power 1. Now 1 centimeter divided by 100 centimeter. We know 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters with power 2, and this get cancelled, so 1 raised to power minus 2 is equal to 1. Now further solve it. We get 1 by 1000 and 1 by 100 power 2. Again solve it. This will become 10 into 1 by 10 raised to power 7. Clear? This will when we will square it, it will have 4 zeros, 4 and 3 zeros, then it will come 10 raised to power 7. Now further solve it. This is equal to 10 raised to power minus 6. Clear? So we can say N2 is equal to 10 raised to power minus 6. Clear, students? The value of N2 is 10 raised to power minus 6. So hence 10 arg is equal to 10 raised to power minus 6 joule. Clear? This is the answer of this numerical. So students, we have solved 2 numericals based on the topic we have studied yesterday. Thank you.